Naranasan nyo na ba yung nagmamadali kayo tapos hindi nyo makita yung hinahanap nyong pagkain sa loob ng freezer? With the clear and see-through view of this Fujidenzo upright glass freezer, this means you won't have to. Fujidenzo glass freezer is the first no-frost upright glass freezer in the market. This freezer has a 3-layer tempered glass door with a built-in heater to prevent condensation. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng storage para sa inyong ice cream or ice cream cakes or whatever, Fujidenzo upright glass freezer ang bagay para sa inyo. With its superior cooling performance, Fujidenzo upright glass freezer can accommodate any of your frozen goods at mas madali nyo pa itong makikita o ng inyong mga customers. Talaga namang food items are easy to locate with this Fujidenzo upright glass freezer. It is easy to locate exactly what you need right when you need it. At pwede mo ring i-display yung mga laman ng inyong Fujidenzo upright freezer. And to add, Fujidenzo offers you 2 years warranty on parts, 1 year on service, at 5 years sa compressor. Fujidenzo home and commercial appliances are available in all leading appliance stores nationwide. If you want to know more about our products, please like us on Facebook at Fujidenzo Appliances, or you can visit our website at www.exatech.com.ph. Fujidenzo, quality above all.